Hey, it's Dan Froelke here with a very special review for you on a program that I started over 6 months ago. It's called 98 Unlimited. So 98 Unlimited is a plug-and-play automated marketing system that allows you to make $98 commissions over and over again. And the best part, these commissions are residual and will be paid to you month after month. And I like to call it my reliable residual income stream because it really doesn't matter if I roll out of bed or roll over and go back to bed. These commissions are residual and will be paid to me month after month. So I've been online for over 12 years now in this space here, and I have been looking for a residual income stream the whole time, and I really finally found one here with 98 Unlimited. It's affordable, it's duplicatable, and it's super easy to get your system up and running. And as I said, 98 Unlimited is a plug-and-play automated marketing system, and everything is included, okay? Marketing campaigns, multiple capture pages, sales page, high converting sales page, an autoresponder with follow-up emails, step-by-step training, resources, and a back office where you can track all your sales. There's 5 unique product modules, and new ones are added each and every month. The support is phenomenal, and the company does all the training for your new members. So that is completely hands-free right there. So I really believe this is the best affiliate program for making recurring passive income in 2021, 2022, and beyond. So in this review, I'm going to take you in the back office. I'm going to show you some of my results, results that other people are getting with the system, and I'm going to go kind of step by step in how we make these $98 payments over and over again with 98 Unlimited. So let's get started right now. Let's log into my back office right now. Now, if you haven't been following my journey with 98 Unlimited on my YouTube channel here, I started this little residual income program at the end of March of this year with a very small investment. Okay, it's just $98 plus a little admin fee, and the admin fee is $39.95. All right, and I've managed to flip that investment into a $10,000 plus per month residual income stream. Now, I average right now between $8,000 to $10,000 a month. So right now, I want to log into my back office and share with you some results, because I know, not everybody knows who I am. You may not be following my results. So I just want to share with you my results so that way you know that I'm on the level to show you how to do this stuff, how to make money online with 98 Unlimited. And incidentally, guys, I put a lot of things in place to help jumpstart your business. And I'm going to share with you my team bonuses very soon. But before I log in, I have a legal disclaimer here. Now, the results that you're going to see are not typical. These are my results, and in no way do I guarantee or imply that you will get these results, if any at all. Okay, let's log in right now. Oh, you know what? I forgot to show you the date here. You probably see it over here, but it's Monday, October 18th here. Monday, October 18th, 2021, and I can't believe we're way into fall here. It's almost the end of October. It was a great summer, and I feel truly blessed to have been able to share this with lots of people. All right, now let's log in to the back office. Let me shut that off. Log in. Okay, these stats up here, they reset every 24 hours. So let's check out income earned here. And we're going to go back to March when I started. I want to show you the proof of residual aspect of this program. Okay, now, again, I started March 31st, actually. So we've got March 31st through April 30th at $3,528. And these are instant commissions, 100%, right? 100% commissions. Now, how often you go to maybe JVZoo and ClickBank, usually the highest commission is about 75%. Okay, these are 100% commissions paid directly to you. Okay, so let's move on, and we're going to do the next month. April 30th through May 31st, another $3,300. All right, not too bad. Now, here's where the residual aspect of this program comes in. And it's actual proof that the residual system works here because, okay, you can see right now 33, 32. Now, let's go 30 days after that, and it jumps up $6,370. All right, because of the fact that, the people who joined me at the beginning have to pay again, okay, because it's $98 a month, and you can cancel anytime. Now, not everyone's going to stay every month, right? There is attrition rate. And what attrition means, it's the rate when people fall off. For example, some people start, and for whatever reason, maybe they don't take it seriously, maybe they're not consistent with their advertising, all kinds of reasons. After 30 days, they quit. So that is the attrition right there. Now, to improve the attrition rate, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to work with these people right off the bat, and we're going to set them up to win. We're going to help them get sales right away. I put a lot of things in place to help you do that. Okay, I've got a lot of team bonuses, and I'll get to that very quickly. So we're going to help them get sales right away so they're happy and they stay on for as long as possible, because if you are making money, you're going to stay, right? There's no question about it. And I truly believe this is the best affiliate program for making recurring passive income in 2021, 2022, and beyond. Okay, so let's move ahead a little bit. And now let's move ahead to September. Not bad. Okay, $8,820 with this little $98 residual income stream. Now, I know it's a little less than the previous month because I took a whole week off. We had some friends visit us in Florida, and they stayed there and all that stuff. So it's pretty hard for me to work my business, which was okay because I kind of needed a break. That's what happens. I slacked up a little bit, but we can do this because we work for ourselves. We create our own economy, and that's what I absolutely love about this making money online. It is so awesome. All right, I want to show you around the back office a little bit. I want to show you exactly what you get for $98. I want to show you the products really quickly and how we market this system. Very easy to market this system. It is a complete plug-and-play marketing system. And I'm going to show you that right now. And I want to get to my team bonuses. These are amazing team bonuses that are going to set you up to win. So what exactly do you get when you join 98 Unlimited? Well, first of all, you're going to get an automated plug-and-play marketing system with the ability to create unlimited $98 payments. And these are paid directly to you guys, all right? We don't rely on an e-wallet or anything like that. These are 100% commissions paid directly to you. There's no limit to the amount of money you can earn. And what's really cool is just one sale. You're going to break even on one sale, and everything after that is profit. And like I said, every payment goes directly to you. This is a member-to-member instant pay program. We have step-by-step tutorials on each and every step to get your system up and running. And I have to say, the owner, his name is Frank. He does a tremendous job with this back office. Again, I have been in it for over 6 months now. I've gotten to know Frank, and he is first class the way he set the system up. Very easy to follow step-by-step tutorials. He's got a lot of content back here, a lot of resources. And again, you have everything you need right here to have success with 98 Unlimited. Every payment goes to you. This is a member-to-member instant pay program, and we have 17 different payment processors to choose from, including Zelle, Cash App, and there's a brand new one called World Remit. Okay, so we have all these payment processors. You can use Zelle, Cash App, and again, this brand new one called World Remit, and it's available worldwide, which is really cool. There's instructions on how to get that as well. Now, how do we actually earn these $98 commissions over and over? Well, the process is very simple. You're going to simply promote the website that you're going to get for free once you join. And you have your choice of 3 different capture pages to send prospects to. Once they opt in, they'll automatically be redirected to the company presentation that does all the selling and telling for you 24/7, 365 days out of the year. That's going to explain all the FAQs, how it works, and how they can earn money online with the 98 Unlimited marketing system. Your prospects will also receive a series of follow-up emails sent right from you with the autoresponder that comes with the system. This is a complete turnkey plug-and-play marketing system, and I really believe this is the best affiliate program for making recurring passive income in 2021, 2022, and beyond. Now, how are we going to get these prospects that'll take a look at your business? Well, you're going to get a full marketing suite of tools that allow you to promote 98 Unlimited to the masses. And we have absolutely free ways to market your system or paid ways to market. Now, I've always gravitated towards paid traffic, okay? I love to do solo ads and other paid traffic like that. We also have a complete done-for-you marketing portal where you'll be able to send out thousands of text messages or postcards with just a click of a button. We have an in-house ad agency that will handle all that for you. And let's go back to the ways you can promote. All kinds of ways, you guys. You can do free advertising, posting in the Facebook groups, classified ad, on Craigslist, do solo ads, other forms of pay-per-click, do postcards, drop cards. We have mailers. Let me show you the mailers here. Lots of ways to promote this system. Now, if you want to mail out postcards yourself and do all the work, you can certainly order them here and get the labels as well. All right, so lots of ways to promote this system. All right, let's get to my exclusive team bonuses right now. All right, last but not least, my 98 Unlimited team bonuses, and I'm really excited to share this with you. Now, I want to talk about this one right here, because I put together a team traffic co-op. It's completely hands-free, no marketing is required with this done-for-you traffic option. My team traffic co-op allows you to leverage our buying power so you can get top tier 1 traffic from a world-class solo ad provider at a discounted price. And it's really important for you to know this right here, because we're going to be using Jazz Deep solo ads for our weekly team traffic co-op, and this is top tier 1 traffic sent to your 98 Unlimited capture page. I've been using Jazz Deep solo ads for over 3 years now with great success, and I've always been really pleased with his services and his traffic, and he's a really good guy too. He knows a lot about this industry and a lot about traffic. As a matter of fact, in one of my online businesses, I've earned over $330,000 using Jazz Deep's traffic exclusively, and that's why I absolutely love it, and that's why I asked him if we could use his traffic. He's going to give us a good deal. As a matter of fact, you won't find a better price for his traffic at all. Jazz Deep is going to provide his traffic to us at a discounted price. It's $75 per 100 clicks, and he usually charges $100 per 100 clicks. He only provides top tier 1 traffic, and that's why I wanted to use him exclusively for my team traffic co-op. Now, everyone who joins our team has the opportunity to purchase this great quality traffic through our special payment links that Jazz Deep has made for us. Here's the really cool part. Anyone who joins you will have access to this as well. This is a hands-free, done-for-you option of getting quality traffic to your 98 Unlimited site. All you have to do is pay for the traffic and send them your link, your capture page link. After that, the autoresponders will kick in and follow up with your prospects automatically. Now, bonus number 2 right here. All right, and to be really honest with you, I'm not sure how long I'm going to have this up, because I actually put my money where my mouth is, and I actually pay for traffic for you. Okay? So join me in 98 Unlimited, and you will be added to our existing Team Traffic Co-op for free for a period of 2 weeks. That's Jazz Deep's top tier 1 solo ad traffic, uninterrupted for 2 weeks. Now that's an awesome bonus right there. How is that for putting my money where my mouth is? Do you think that's going to help you jumpstart your business? Absolutely. You're going to get some awesome traffic, some leads, and hopefully some sales out of the deal. All on me. And of course, if you want to purchase more of that same traffic, well, you can certainly do it on your own. with our team traffic co-op here. I absolutely love this traffic. My team members are getting great leads with this. They're getting sales because this traffic is from the top solo ad provider in our work from home space, Jasdeep Singh. Now I've got another bonus right here. Actually, it's a group of bonuses because after receiving many emails and a lot of Facebook messages from team members wanting free or low-cost marketing methods to market 98 Unlimited, I created my 98 Unlimited Profit Accelerator. And the great thing about this, not only is this bonus available to you, it's available to anyone who joins you in your 98 Unlimited business. My Profit Accelerator includes my exclusive team training site with my personal setup tutorials, traffic resources, and strategies to you and people who join your team. It's going to get them up and running fast and in profit. You're also going to get exclusive banner ads and splash pages, 200 pre-written ads for classified ad sites or social media, $597 worth of free ad submission software where you can post free ads on autopilot, my brand new 2021 Craigslist training with the ads included, 5 free websites where you can advertise to thousands daily for free. And guys, there's much more, okay? A lot of other bonuses. I want to talk about this because this is really important, okay? My exclusive team welcome email for your team members, okay? So what's going to happen? And I really strive on being a very good sponsor, and I expect people who join me to be good sponsors as well. So I created this special welcome email. It's going to have all the links to my team training site and our traffic co-op, all right? So when someone joins you, you don't have to hold their hand. All you're going to do is give them this email, this special welcome email with all of our links, and they'll have all the resources that you have. Now, the only thing that I won't do, I won't pay for their traffic, okay? I only pay for traffic for my direct referrals, okay? But all the other bonuses are for you and people who join you. All right, guys, there you have it, my 98 Unlimited team bonuses. Now, if you are interested in learning more about 98 Unlimited and how you can get paid $98 over and over again, unlimited times per day, then click the very first link in the description of this video. It's $98freedom.com. $98freedom.com. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel because on this channel I create videos on how to make money online. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to me personally. My contact information is below as well. This is Dan Froelke, and we will see you on the next video.